EQ is a leading provider of ownership data management and analytics, guiding you into and through life as a public company. With a lion's share of the IPO market, EQ offers comprehensive support and expertise, combined with a dedicated in-house IPO transition team that handles all planning, timelines, and documentation. Our specialties include SPACs, direct listings, and Regulation A exemptions. In our series of videos and articles, Your IPO Roadmap, to, through, and beyond the IPO, we share our deep expertise and insights. A successful IPO requires a significant investment in your time and resources. To learn about the key steps to take in your IPO journey, let's take a quick trip using the EQ IPO Roadmap. As a founder, you know capitalization tables, or cap tables, provide an analysis of a company's ownership and value. However, if you're still using spreadsheets, now is the time to get your cap table organized with a product like Estrella by Equinity. Deciding to go public is a major decision. It involves a major transformation of how you operate your business. Be sure you're ready. You'll begin by selecting an underwriter who will advise you throughout the IPO process. The underwriter will file due diligence documents, signaling your intent to go public. Next, you'll seek the SEC's approval to issue shares. Your underwriter files an S-1 registration statement, which contains the company's financial history, strategic initiatives, and IPO share price range. When the SEC declares your registration statement effective, you're free to sell and issue shares to the public. Before you can sell shares, you'll have to price them. The day before the company's shares are traded on an exchange, you and your underwriter set the offer price and the number of shares to be sold. IPOs are often underpriced to ensure the issue is fully or even oversubscribed. After the issue is brought to market, the underwriter has a brief window to trade shares in order to influence and stabilize the share price. 25 days after the IPO, the transition to market takes place, signaling investors to transition to market information rather than mandated disclosures to understand share value. The transition to market is a critical time for the company to initiate investor management practices. Once public, the company faces a new challenge, managing its shareholders, and must be prepared to understand and engage them. For the first time, the company must know and understand its ownership. Nowhere is shareholder engagement more critical than conducting the first annual meeting. More than a regulatory obligation, annual meetings are a tremendous opportunity to strengthen shareholder relations and build investors' confidence. But it can be challenging if activists or shareholder proposals are in play. Expert guidance from a proxy solicitor and others will be needed. And so we come to the end of our IPO roadmap, but your journey as a public company is just beginning. EQ can help. We support companies throughout their entire business life cycle with transfer agent, employee stock plan, and proxy solicitation services. We can help with your annual meeting planning and preparation with our market-leading corporate proxy, governance, and shareholder intelligence services. And as a public company, you'll need to monitor and engage your shareholders. Find out how EQ's shareholder intelligence services can help you keep on top of changes and trends in your ownership, so you can create an effective communication strategy for your shareholders. We're EQ, here for you to, through, and beyond the IPO. Be sure to watch the whole video series and check out our IPO content library too. Contact us today.